of loose. Well, they're crap. All right.
I didn't know we were checking for that.
Yes, sir. You gotta switch now, but that's a gig. You give it time. Now throw this side over here. Yeah, I put this side together. It'd still be here trying to put this together if I didn't tell them to stop because they're not getting it. Okay, what's wrong? They couldn't get it closed. Well, why couldn't they get it closed?
Because they didn't take it halfway and halfway.
No.
Nope. Something's not right.
Because something's not sitting right. You have to shake it around.
What? It's not sitting right. Look at it, guys. Look at
You
it.
can't.
What's the purpose of that elbow?
What's the purpose?
Right, why is
Can't
it
close
closed?
it.
That's the
Because
question.
the way.
Wow.
Take the gasket inside of it.
No.
No.
The elbow.
What?
Elbow's laying up, but that one was straight across.
Meaning what?
What's the
No,
purpose?
there's no angle.
What's the purpose of this gate valve on this elbow? How does it? How does it
Wait a
open?
minute, wait a minute.
gotta
It's
open
like
it.
the wrong direction.
How does it open? How do you start get the fuel out of there? I know I explained that.
Oh,
Yeah,
the
it's the
elbow.
wrong-
The elbow's backwards.
It is. It's going the wrong way.
Okay, this gate valve opens
It pushes.
That's
the
right.
blivet. So if it's backwards, you're not going to get it on.
That's right. And the other one was.
You have to engage it
going the other
this
way.
way.
Oh wow.
That's why.
Yeah, engage it
I
this
didn't put
way.
that on.
As
Thank
you
you.
open it, it pushes in the pressure plate.
Oh wow. Okay.
So,
That's right. That's
Happens all the
what
time.
we're learning, right? That's what the whole purpose of this is to learn. All right.
back to the thing.
That's all right. Just leave
Just leave it.
Yeah, we'll
Okay.
take it first.
Next time you know.
All right. So when we got to this point, you guys were struggling a little bit on the T, which way it was facing. Okay. Butterfly valve first, and then the T with the male fitting going towards the pump, right?
Oh.
And then y'all had two hoses here, and then y'all realized you're supposed to have one, right?
and then two.
You need more spacing between the pump and the filter separator. All right.
And I also saw Vaughn fix it.
Yes.
Dust caps need to go underneath the hoses.
That's
Why do you
right,
put the
that's
dust
right.
caps underneath the hoses?
So you can see for a leak when it's dripping. They have space.
But also to keep the dirt from out of these things. So right now, that would have been one of the things you're doing as you're connecting. Okay, put these in.
Yeah, I remember you showing us that in class.
Okay, you kind of like that.
Roger.
Not in the dirt like that one. We don't have another plug. All right. Okay, keep them out of the dirt. Move right along.
Size pump.
100 GPM.
All right.
Inlet, outlet. You guys
that.
saw that, right?
Oh.
Okay. Grinding rod shares. The fuel separator. Filter separator and the pump.
Right rod and power extinguisher.
For that.
You got it here. Somebody had put the water detector kit adapter on the wrong side. You guys corrected that. All right. I was looking at it, and I think that probably should be backwards, so that you're able to take your sample. Okay. That's just the way somebody put it on. All right.
Oh.
Just kind of move the sampler outlet on. Just move it around. Come to here.
So you can get to it.
Come to your Y. Going out. What's the distance here?
100 feet.
100 feet, right? So do you think we have 100 feet?
Negative.
feet from the Y?
100 feet from the
No.
line.
Well, 100 feet between rotor to rotor.
Rotor to rotor. So if we want to make sure that we have 100 feet from rotor to rotor, how much hose should we have?
50.
At least 100 right
You're
there.
gonna have 100.
You at least have 250.
You guys, did you utilize everything that is part of the system?
Nope.
What did you not use over there?
The rest of the hose.
Two hoses.
Bond was right. He said it. Why can't you add more hose to make it easier? But no one listened to him. But that's all right, because now we're learning.
So it's not a matter of open it up, to make sure we have 100 feet. Is have more hose. So you should have two 50-foot hoses on each for each refueling point. Okay, two refueling. So two 50-foot hoses. So you needed one more here and one more over here. Okay. And then once you have them stretched out, how much feet should you come back with the ground rod?
10 feet.
10 feet.
10 feet. Okay. And then you kind of do an S and bring it, and hang it on the hanger. Okay. You should have a grounding rod with the bonding cable, and the fire extinguisher. Right?
Grounding rod, do you think?
The grounding wire is what you're going to bring back 10 feet.
I mean the grounding wire. Do the grounding wire be 10 feet long?
I don't know about how long they are.
This is like 3 feet.
Well, yeah, that's schematics. I mean, 10 feet back from where your fueling point is.
You're talking about the cable itself.
Like that.
Okay. Then if it's a short one, that one is not the grounding cable. That one is a bonding cable. Goes attached to the nozzle. When you get up to the aircraft, you bond to the aircraft. If it's a short one, it's a bonding cable, not a grounding cable. All right. Now we're gonna break up into teams.
Hold on, one other thing.
Yes, go ahead.
On the fueling points, where are you missing?
Drip pad.
Drip pans, where are they? Yeah. You have drip pans here, not at the limits. Not the filter separator.
You good there? You don't need one here. You need it over there and over there. You're right.
All right, and the S is made, and the S is made. So good. All right. 66.
All right, just the way you are. 66. Okay.
Everyone's.